Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to update you guys on my RKT position. Still haven't sold anything. Still up around 15K. I think I'm gonna gauge how momentum is looking around 9:30 in the morning. See if we're looking like it's going back up, going back down. But I think if it does look like if I do think we're going to go back down, I'm probably gonna be selling some March 12th calls for $41. So I do think I'll probably sell March calls for $41. I'll sell all 45 of my shares. I'll pick up $8,100 in premium, and then I'll just kind of ride it out. So basically, I'd be profiting almost 10K in like 2 seconds as soon as all those calls sell. And if I do get called away, let's do this right. $41. Let's do all my shares, 45.60. I'll basically be, if I do get called away by next week, I'll basically cash out at $186,000. So $187,000, which is about, what is it called? Like 60K above what I have right now. So it does look like it's like a win-win right now. I'll definitely gauge at price right now around a little bit later to see what's going on. But more than likely, I will be selling calls for next week, picking up that premium. And if I get called away, I make like 60K. So I'll see you guys later.